Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by closing any active split screen sessions. Drag the center divider fully up or down until one app fills the display, or tap the app's close control. Once done, open Settings and use the search bar to find multi-window or split screen options so you skip unrelated menus. Make sure you don't jump to ADB yet. Only enable developer options and USB debugging if you plan to use a command line method in the next steps. Next, toggle the device level switch. Many manufacturers place multi-window under Display or Advanced Features. Turn it off to stop split behavior system-wide. On Samsung phones, go to Settings Advanced Features Multi-Window and disable it. If no toggle exists, you can use ADB, enable USB debugging, connect to your computer. Then run a DB shell settings, put global enable freeform support 0. Finally, reboot the phone to ensure the new setting takes effect. Many system flags require a restart. After reboot, test by trying to enter split view from recent apps. You should no longer be able to enable multi-window. If split persists, clear the system cache or the offending app's cache, install pending system updates, and repeat the ADB command if needed. If that fails, contact the device maker. Sometimes OEM skins override global flags and need vendor-specific fixes or updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.